Today we're going to do Poetry Lesson 3. Today we're going to use our plan to write a poem. So you need your mystery creature plan and a blank sheet of paper. We're going to use our plan to write our poem. So the plan is laid out by lines. So if you look, the number 1 represents line 1 of your poem. So our line 1 of our poem is going to be our creature name. So on my piece of paper, for my first line, I'm going to write my creature's name, which is Rubber Green. Now the second line of my poem are my 3 adjectives. So underneath Rubber Green on my second line, I'm going to write wet, soft, and squishy. And I'm going to make sure that I'm putting a comma in between each of my adjectives. And that will be line 2. Line 3 of my poem is my simile. So I'm going to copy the simile exactly as it is on my plan. So I'm going to write as slimy as a snail. And now, lines 4 and 5 are my question. So for line 4, I'm going to start by writing Everyone Wonders. So on line 4, I'm going to write Everyone Wonders. And then, on line 5, underneath Everyone Wonders, I'm going to write my question. How yucky he is to touch. And I'm going to make sure that I end my question with a question mark. Now, for lines 6 and 7, we're going to write the secret ability and simile. So for line 6, I'm going to write just nobody knows. And I'm going to make sure I capitalize the word nobody. And now underneath nobody knows, line 7 is going to be my simile. So I'm going to write Rubber Green can bounce high like a rubber ball. And I'm going to make sure that I end that simile with an exclamation point. So now I've used my plan to write my poem. I'm going to read over my poem one more time. Rubber Green, wet, soft, squishy, as slimy as a snail. Everyone wonders how yucky he is to touch. Nobody knows Rubber Green can bounce high like a rubber ball. So you're going to go ahead and use your plan, just like I did, to write your poem. Please make sure that you follow your plan and write the appropriate words on the appropriate line. When you are done writing your poem, then you can move on to the next step.